What's the meaning of common ground? Common ground. Common ground.
Common ground. Common ground. Common ground refers to a shared understanding or agreement between two or more parties. It can be a foundation for cooperation and compromise, as it allows individuals with different perspectives to find areas of mutual agreement. Establishing common ground is particularly important when trying to resolve conflicts or negotiate outcomes. By identifying areas of agreement, individuals can work towards solutions that are acceptable to all parties involved. Effective communication is key to establishing common ground and fostering positive relationships in both personal and professional settings.